In this video, there are some questions that people have been asking on how to borrow money from Fairmoney without BVN. So based on my understanding and the research I have made so far, you cannot actually borrow money from Fairmoney without BVN, because before you even have access to the inside of Fairmoney to get or to borrow money from the platform, you will need to connect your BVN to their app in order to proceed on to the next thing. So after I downloaded this app, I actually connect my BVN before I can start making this video tutorial. But then if you don't connect your BVN, you'll be limited to some certain features inside the app. Before I connected my BVN to the app, this transfer option is not showing, the card option is not showing, and the bill option is not showing. But I can actually buy airtime. But then after that, I wasn't even be able to see my account number, which is quite strange to me, which means you'll be limited to some certain things if you don't connect your BVN to your Fairmoney account. So if you have been asking how to borrow money from Fairmoney without BVN, I'm not very sure you'll be able to do that. But then you can make more research or contact the customer support center on their email with help@fairmoney.io to make more inquiries on that.